Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.